Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create this hairstyle with mix of tight and loose, that's braids. Let's get started. First you need the partings. Create the middle part line and then triangle shapes to the both sides of the parting. I start the braiding with another triangle parting. Take 3 strands from the front and start the braid like a Dutch braid, bringing them from side under to the middle. Add hair from the top, so every time when you're on the left side of the braid, move the strand under and add some hair. Then move the right under without addings. Left under, add hair. Right under, no adding. Left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Right under, left under, add hair. Keep on repeating in this way until you added entire triangle parting inside the braid. Once I've created the first braid, I create a similar braid to the another side. Only difference is that this time the braid is as a mirror. So this time I add hair from the right side and move the left strand under without adding from the left side. Right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, and so go on. Next I will move to the loose braids. Take again 3 strands from the front and start the braid like before, bringing strands from side under to the middle. Now I add hair from the both sides of the braid. That makes the pancaking the braid easier. Once I've braided for a while, I pancake the edges of the braid. Just pinch the edge of the stitch and pull it out. As you can see, two actually pretty similar braids look very different. Then keep on braiding. Add hair from the both sides of the braid, and time after time pancake the edges of the braid. This way it's easier to pancake more afterwards, but also you can get a neat and symmetrical result. At this point of the braiding, I add the another braid inside the loose braid. Then just continue braiding like before. Next, I create the similar braid to the another side. And here's the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!